boys. Oh my god, I'm about to make the move. There's a 110 KLX on this gentleman's flatbed. I think she's coming home with me. Ooh, girl. This is it. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you breaking up over here. I give you the official Kareless KLX110 build. Seat's been broken in 2008. Give me a badass little trick. I'm gonna break this and that'll be like the start of the movie. That'd be awesome. Yeah. Damn, first try, dude. This is so successful. First kick, this bike's gonna be ready. What's up, everybody? This is the $500 farm bike build. So I'm so stoked. We picked up this 2008 KLX 110 on Marketplace legitimately for $500 cash. This dude had it sitting in a barn for a few years. He said he hasn't ridden it in forever. He hasn't changed the gas in a good minute. So just for the next few hours, we're gonna do a complete makeover on this bike and it's gonna look brand new. So thank you so much, Volta. Thank you, MotoStore, for the support. We're at their shop right now. They're allowing us to use and abuse the tools. And shout out to Kerry G. Thank you for filming this, man. Walk through of all the parts. We got a brand new seat, brand new foam. We got a sprocket. We got some new grips. We got a high bar. We got new tubes. We got some new tires underneath. We're gonna do a full fluid flush, so everything's gonna be brand new. Some other stuff just to clean it. And then shout out to UFO Plastics. They got us a brand new set of all black plastics, and we got some graphics in the works. Nice things, man. The Harbor Freight one doesn't do this. Quick walkthrough. We're still in the initial tailor down. It's still quite in the shit bike category. If I was to categorize it on like 1 to 12 white claws, it would take about 12 white claws to make this look good.
Please try and get this tire off, or I think it's gonna be a pain.
There's dirt from East Texas coming dropping on you. So we just got everything torn down. I'm just detailing some of the old grime that's built up on the gas tank, but we got the rear wheel off. He's working on changing the tire and tube out. We got all the plastics completely taken off, and then Mario's working on the front end, getting that cleaned up. We're gonna do high bars on here shortly.
Freshy, boy.
Back end cleaned up. They're grinding down the exhaust, and we're going to repaint the exhaust. That will look pretty much brand new, but it's still going to be stock OEM. Ricky's about to get some of these grinder attachments so we can really start getting some of these finer areas, but right now we're just kind of doing the initial wipe down, and then pretty soon we'll start getting some of these deeper spots, hitting some of these bolts so the rust will come off and it will look brand new, although we're still able to reuse the original parts.
Why the fuck is this not?
Let me know how it is, buddy.
I think it's because you're on camera. Yeah, it is.
Uno momento, por favor.
Fucking hell.
Uno momento.
Rain. Ow! It's shaking it loose, but it ain't working.
Do we have?
I need like a needle nose or something.
Does he have a can of brake cleaner?
Yeah, I have some in my, in the cart.
Really?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's take this.
There's no saving it. Oh, the rear one? Dang. What are you talking about, dude?
Of course it worked right
Yeah.
away.
Yo, if you're hungry, there's food in there right now. Help yourself.
I'm about to do something gross.
Sorry.
Yo, my chain does hang out.
Yeah, let the people know, dude. Gotta let the people know.
I don't know if this is gonna work too well.
Think so?
Going pretty quick.
Yeah, honestly, it's just wearing it down so fast, and it's not really getting to. It's like a very thin surface area it makes contact with. If that makes any sense. Mario almost just lost a fucking finger.
Me?
I like the flow. All that stuff. Just let it tangle. Oh! Wear glasses.
I got some safety glasses.
Oh, bro, I got Kareless glasses on deck.
Is this sharing?
Those are sharing.
No, because that one came off.
I don't think so, but that was stupid, right? Inside here, there was living at one point. Can you see that? Behind the web, there's a fucking spider. That's disgusting.
Take that one off.
Okay.
And that bolts in this way.
You sure?
Yeah.
They're cut like it goes the other way. You see how they're cut? So like
They might have done it like that.
I think that's how it
Yeah, you're right.
thing.
Those bolts. Yeah, you're right.
I'm not sure. You record that? I was right. Send that to Jess. I was right. I'll give you that $20 later.
Deal.
Too much, and you're end up having to scrub anyways. So just remember that. But you gotta check the tight too. There's like real maintenance and like beyond that. You know what I mean?
So you recommend juggling it first and then making a judgment decision?
They're tight. They're tight. So that's good, right? So you squeeze it on, you're checking. You know, I send it, bro. So yeah, I mean.
So saying thanks will have it done by the end of the day? Super Dave's gonna fly into town.
Oh, the rims are easy. The rims are just, you can take some. Yeah.
There's some right there.
I wouldn't even come talking that, bro.
Yeah,
Some clock, because it's got that shine. You're gonna have rust spots on it.
Yo, ideally, you can try these, but you have to be super careful and not hit the rim because the drum will fucking.
You would need that really light, like.
But you could probably do it if you just put it on there at an angle.
Do you have like a vice grip that would potentially hold it by chance? I mean, worst case, I can just like rig it up with something, but I was just thinking if I had a way to hold it.
It's just a lot of.
I'm down with that. Dirt bike problems, man. Don't crash, ride safe, wear gear, use elephant ears. So 8 days ago, at Texplex. Yeah, 'cause we went out on a Sunday, today's Monday. So 8 days ago, me and him went to Texplex. I was in Damasio. And see, that is a street, no, that's a knobby. I should have had a knobby on there. I pretty much had tires like that, and I should have had tires like that. And because I had tires like that, your boy slid and hit the ground hard. So don't ride dirt with tires like that. Hard dirt. Yeah. Unless you're trying to be dumb here. We have everything taken off. We already got the high bars and the grips put on, plus some elephant ears, compliment to Mario. Ricky's out there, he's getting all the grease off like the engine and stuff like that. We're about to just take off a few more parts to hit it with the little Dremel tool. And Beto and Gentry back there are putting fresh tubes on it. One of the tubes was rusted on so bad that they're literally having to like break it off. But that's kind of to be expected with something that sits for so long. But I would say we've already completed the teardown. We're like halfway through the cleaning. And then right after the cleaning is complete, I think we'll be good to start mounting stuff back on. My side?
What?
Bro.
You hit it? What'd you do?
Oh my god. Dude, it's lost color. You should have seen it a few days ago.
It's been 8 days.
Where?
Texplex,
Yeah.
You went down.
Twice. I didn't get to see either of them either.
He was getting towed off.
Yeah.
Were you there?
No,
Scars, Kerry.
They're just me and them out
What'd
there.
you do?
She got mad. She
You're supposed to have somebody to help you, bro. You're supposed to have accountability.
You know what the worst part is? I had my other leg x-rays. That one hurt worse.
She was like, it feels like there's something disconnected in my leg right there.
Dude, I couldn't fucking
That's
walk.
that bike right there. Yeah.
I
Fuck yeah, you could
could not
walk. What the fuck?
I did see you right after you fell.
Bro, your internal bleeding. Your internal bleeding was making your legs swollen, bro. You were thick from the blood. It's nasty.
You know, the worst part is like legit, the second time I went down was the harder time. I fucking just laid there like a starfish. And this dude rolled by on a bike and he just like, you could tell he didn't know what to do, but he's like,
Call
"You
it
alright?" He's like, are you okay? And I'm like,
No.
That's Charlotte's Web.
It actually hits you with the top drive pretty fast.
You're like, fucking tire.
Bro, no, I'm not putting it back in. I already got both of them out.
Take the rain out.
Chicken go cluck cluck, cows go moo.
New rep coming up?
Yeah, dude, I want to be an animal. Oh, shit. Probably have to do this. Shut your ass up, boy.
Shout out to UFO, they hooked us up on the plastics, and it's really silly. These KLX plastics were super hard to find, especially with everything going on right now. A lot of people are doing these pit bike builds, so we struggled to find this plastic specifically in black. It's easier to find it in green or white, but we shopped around, we got the plug. Thank you, UFO. They hooked us up. Full brand new plastics all the way around, straight from the number plate front nose all the way back, and I'll be like pretty much the last final touches. We are almost there. Give you a little comparison.
I don't know.
It's good.
I'm good for holding forward. That's about it. I can do that pretty well. Thank you,
Yeah, it's crazy. Look at the difference. This one's right that one.
So, silly question, is the metal shavings on this dude gonna cause a problem sticking inside there?
Inside where?
Like in here?
There's a cap or something.
Oh, okay.
But they could slide under it. Yeah. So these are non-inverted forks. Inverted forks are like, like the dirt bikes. My Harley's got non-inverted.
Take that one? Yep. And pop it.
So filter, do some regular maintenance. It's gonna look 1,000 times better, should run better. Probably like 10 extra horsepower. Shout out to the moto.store. They helped us track down all these parts.
Fuck that shit. Tsubimoto, Tire Master got this shit done. None of y'all know how to tire. Not Cole, not Jim. Gentry, not Tom. We all saw Beto earlier doing that shit. Not happening.
So shout out Torey's Tires Plus. Check them out on Instagram. Torey's Tires and Plus. But for real, the moto.store, man, they hooked up on all these parts. If it wasn't for them, then we would be using funky ass used shit. Thank you. And shout out to Torey for coming through.
That was a bad one, honestly. You better be strong as fuck. You better punch that.
Yeah. Put that with your arm. Is there any gasoline on it?
So it has an LED on there too.
Fuck it.
So we can ride at night, right?
That sucks, dude. You know how much it retails for? Yo, this is the nice shit, dude. Yo, you and Gentry made me talking shit about everybody's like Mars. I'm not even joking. That's no bullshit.
Can't find the hole.
Oh, I got you.
Try it right there, bro.
I guess, yeah. Clocking in like 4.5 hours. A badass team of fucking people with a good attitude. Some pizza, some beer, and Mobil One oil, baby.
Golly, yeah, not that mobile one. You know what you're missing.
Hey, I'm out. The master mechanic's out.
Quick update, we're almost there. This is the first kick. We were so excited we were pouring oil out, literally. So, choke.
Neutral.
Run.
Neutral. Roll it back forward.
Big boy problem.
Might run. Otherwise. Yeah. There you go.
Man, like that.
No trouble.
No?
Yeah.
It's the Gucci slide.
That's
It's the Gucci
bro.
slide. That's where I was fucking up, dude. God damn it, Ross. Fucking out of here, cheap shit. These are Vans, actually. This is why y'all all said the new ones with electric car.
Yep.
Another speed bump. We can't get it to start. We think the carburetor needs to be cleaned. So that was like one of the very few minimal things we've not do from a maintenance perspective. But we're hoping that we can just loosen it, poke it a little bit so it breathes better, and enough to kickstart it so you can hear those horsepowers getting wild.
I'll have to disconnect the carb cap. You might be able to just pull it out though, and we can take it apart right here. It'll be a real test.
Disgusting?
Terrible. Let's see that. Oh, there's fucking shit right there. What is that?
Country dirt, bro.
That's ethanol, man.
Oh, I appreciate it. It gives me purpose. They're doing all that.
You can use lighter.
You always thought out good ideas if you got any in mind. And then I think I mentioned it, bro, but I got some extra cowie stickers if you want to use for like your laptop or whatever.
Yeah. I also got some pictures of you. I just think my SD card didn't go.
Yeah.
I think I forgot.
No, we need to clean that bitch.
I got
I can see through it, but I think it's supposed to be bigger.
Is that bigger?
If you want in that blue zipper pouch on that gray. Is that the smoke and put oil on it? Can I let it go? Or is the toast still on?
Turn the choke off. Choke on?
It was pulled out and I just pushed it in as you were.
Let's try it again, see if it'll idle.
Yeah, it should, right? No throttle, right?
Probably not.
Fucking alive. God damn. So it's 11:30, 5 hours later. 5 hours on the $500 farm bike bill. Yo, shout out to Volta, shout out MotoStore, shout out Kerry G, shout out Griffin, Mario, Beto, Gentry, Torey, Tommy.
Fuck yeah, bro. Good shit, dude. That's fucking dope. About fucking time you got a 110.
You said the P-trap, or the gas thing?
What?
Yeah, you were saying that I need to order the P-trap thing?
That line, yeah, the main fuel line that goes with the carburetor.
Final hour, 5 hours in, and we got the $500 farm bike bill done. I am so beyond stoked with it. It looks brand new. This 2008 looks like a 2020. We're gonna be ripping it this weekend, no question. And I seriously, I appreciate everybody that helped make this happen. This was a huge effort of a lot of people busting ass, and a lot of people just are like trying to get our schedules lined up and just get all the resources together. So thank you so much, Volta. Thank you, MotoStore. Thank you, Kerry G, for filming it. Thanks for all the grad guys that came out here and helped. Seriously, shout out. It looks fucking awesome. So hopefully some more build projects coming soon. All right, we're over here at Maxim and Allen. Shout out to those guys, nothing but love. They got an amazing little mini bike track at back. We're about to do a test run on the KLX build. We did that 5-hour time lapse the other day. Got everything completed. We had some issues at the end with the carburetor. Got that dialed in, thank God. And now we're about to test this baby out.
What you got?
We got the Fox helmet. I love this helmet. We got the Cole special pants. Shout out to Khaki Cole. That's the color. It's called Khaki Cole. It's a Pantone. Look it up. And I got my Lucky Bands. I've only bled on these things like 3 times, so today's not gonna mark number 4. First kick, baby. Ah, you can't make these things up. First day on the job, guys. .5 kick.
Uh-oh, it looks like he went down.
I've only ate it once.
How's it feel? How's the rear tire feel?
Good.
Good?
I swear, a little wobbly.
Taking off some sweet jumps.
I got a little air on that other one, and I forgot where my foot brake was and went straight into that bush.
I saw that.
Did you get it on camera?
I couldn't get it on camera. All
Hilarious.
I saw you was someone in the bush like a freaking Sasquatch moving around.
Yeah, I definitely like got a little air, and as soon as I landed, I forgot what I was doing.
Damn it.
I had a Talladega moment. I just like lifted my hands up. That should be me, man. That should be me.
Full throttle, full throttle.
So we just watched the footage, or lack of footage, because I didn't get fucking any air. Kerry specifically said, hey, I'm gonna come out if you get some air, and I was like, ah, no problem. I'm not doing my part, guys. I need to learn. I need to get more comfortable with it. It's silly, it is a bigger bike, so I guess it's just like getting comfortable with how like responsive it is, because that's like completely different. And at the end of the day, I just need more seat time. Quick little backstory is all the homies that right now there have been riding 110s. Kareless, we've always had a Honda XR70, which is super fun. But when it comes to the 110, you have a lot more power, and you can kind of do a lot more as far as this trail riding too. So obviously my XR70, it's got street tires, so like it's not really set up necessarily for this off-road purpose. So this is my first 110. This is like as silly as it is, because it's only a 110, this is the biggest dirt bike I've personally ever owned. So I've definitely wrecked the fuck out of a few things, but as far as my own personal experience, this is as big as it's gotten so far, and I hope that this is only the beginning. At the end of the day, I just need more seat time. There's no excuses. I need to learn this machine. I'm stoked to do it. So honestly, it was a very successful KLX build. I'm like super hyped with the final product. It's just a matter of getting more seat time in, and hopefully we'll be able to do some more builds soon, because I enjoyed this and I really liked collaborating with all the homies. Yeah. Hey, I was gonna tell you, if y'all want any Kareless vinyl for a toolbox or their pit bikes, man, come through, I got you. Yo, and last minute, like quick little shout out to UFO Plastics, dude. This stand is so legit. It makes it easier to work on your bike, makes it easier for stepping in your truck and trailer, and you got a place to sit when you're ready to crack a cold beer. So the KLX110 build, I'm tripping on my words. It's officially complete, man. I'm so hyped. A lot more projects coming soon. So subscribe to the channel before, like it. Shout out to Kerry G. We're gonna be learning wheelies apparently to Kerry.